was a lean.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I have a wig review. This is a human hair wig that was sent to me. I will have the name linked right up there. Thank you so much for sending me this unit to review. This is a deep wave 14 inch. It states in the description that it's a 4x4 and it's also a T part lace front. So this is how it is looking. It does have a 4x4 parting, but it's not a free part. It's just a lace front. So do keep that in mind. It is not a 4x4 free part. It is a lace front. It is 14 inches. It comes with lace right here at the top. About 4 inches of just lace to cut off. But it is a lace front. And then it comes with lace at the bottom if you were to want to wear this in a ponytail. It does come with 2 combs on each side and a comb in the back, and there's a comb in the middle. I don't know why it's in the middle. And then there's straps. So I did wash her because I had to bleach the knots so that the parting space could look more natural. I'm gonna go ahead, put her on, give you guys my details, and tell you if I like her or not. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, check me out. And to my returning subscribers, last but not least, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. So yeah, let's jump into this. Alright, so I am done with styling her. As you can see, this is like an average lace front deep wave wig. This will be perfect for someone who likes lace fronts. If you wear frontals, you might be a bit thrown off by seeing the potential of that 4x4, but seeing that you can't really utilize it, just this part. It did come already pretty plucked. I only bleached the knots in the middle, and then I added my powder so that it can look more on the natural side. So if you are used to wearing frontals, you can pull out your own edges like I did to make it look, you know, give it more of that illusion. But this is a good average wig. The curls on it is defined. The volume is pretty good. Or a person who loves lace fronts, this would be the wig for you. You would probably be in love with it. But for me, it's just an average deep wave wig. I was thinking about dyeing it red. But yeah, this is gonna be a fairly short video. I did not have any shedding. It is deep wave, but as far as tangling, no tangling. I can run my fingers through it. It's very soft. The curls are very defined. The hair is of quality. There's no choppiness in here. It goes all to one length, so you don't have to worry about that. So it's not a bad wig at all. This will be a great work wig, a great school wig, just an everyday wig. So that is all I have to say about this unit. If you do have any questions or about anything that I may have left out, please feel free to put it in a comment. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and tune in next time, y'all. Bye.